Hey everyone! Tor Browser is a powerful tool that helps us protect our privacy and anonymity while browsing the internet. By routing our traffic through multiple nodes in the Tor network, it prevents tracking and censorship. This makes it a popular choice for people who want online security. However, sometimes Tor may not connect, stopping us from accessing the web. This can happen because of network restrictions, firewall settings, antivirus software, or problems with the Tor network itself. Knowing how to troubleshoot these issues is important to keep our browsing safe and smooth. This guide is here to help us find and fix common connection problems with Tor Browser. Instead of guessing or reinstalling the browser, we can use these step-by-step solutions to fix connection problems safely and effectively. We will see how to check our network settings, adjust firewall and antivirus software, and troubleshoot bridges or Tor's network settings to restore our connection. By following these steps, we can make sure Tor Browser works well, keeps our privacy, and lets us access the internet without problems. Now let's start fixing Tor Browser issues. First, let's open our Tor browser. Our first task is to check which version we have. To do this, go to the three lines in the upper right corner of the browser. Go to Help and click About Tor Browser. It will check for updates. Once it is updated, we can try another solution. Another thing we can do is clear the cache. Again, click the three lines, then go to Settings. Under Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Here, we can clear our history. We can delete cookies, site data, temporary cache, and pages. Clearing this area can help free up memory. We should also check our firewall and antivirus. We need to make sure our antivirus isn't blocking Tor. After checking, if there is no issue, we can try another step. We can also check the DNS and connections. If we want, we can clear cookies and site data here, too. We can also clear the browser's history. We can delete it here. Another important step is to check our internet connection, or Wi-Fi. We can restart our modem or reset it to factory settings if needed. This can help Tor Browser work better. Once we fix these connection issues, Tor Browser should be able to connect to the network and give us the privacy and freedom we want. Remember, network problems can happen, so we should keep our browser updated, check our network settings, and use official resources if problems continue. With these fixes, we can keep browsing securely, privately, and without interruptions.